What's up, Bladers? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Lego Prominence Phoenix. I'm sorry it's come a bit late. I was supposed to release it yesterday, but I wasn't able to because I was busy. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss one of my videos. Anyway, now let's get started. Let's start with a chip. So first you're going to either need a 4x4 tile or two 2x2 tiles, which is what I have here. Then you need to attach two 1x2 tiles in yellow. The bottom tile needs to be in red, like so. Then you need to get a 2x4 flat yellow tile. I only had 1x4 one, so I just used that in yellow. Then print out a sticker of the Prominence Phoenix chip. This one was a bit hard to look at, so you might have to outline it with a black pen. Then cut it into shape and put it down on the flat surface there. Now for the locking mechanism, you just stack two 2x2 plates and two 2x2 circular plates. Attach that to the bottom. There you have the core. Now let's make the main layer. So obviously I'm going to show you how to make the ring separately, so I'm just going to show you this bit first. First, grab a 4x4 tile in red, but missing a 2x2 tile in the middle. Just going to focus on that, like that. Then grab two 1x4 tiles in red, attach those to either side. Then grab two downwards facing brackets with 2 studs there and 4 studs there. Then for those parts, we're going to build up these, which is a 1x4 tile in light grey, 1x2 jumper plate, 2 1x1 cheese slopes, and then you just attach that to the bottom, like so. The second one of those, and attach that there. Then you need to grab another downwards facing bracket, so flip this over, with 2 studs there, but 4 studs going across this time. Make sure you have 2 of those. Then what you're going to need to do is make this little piece. So that is a 1x4 tile in red. I mean, the colour doesn't overly matter because it's on the inside. And a 1x1 square tile, a 1x1 downwards facing bracket with a 1x1 flat square tile. And you want to attach that there. And yet again, you're going to want to duplicate it. And now for the sides, you need to attach a 1x1 cheese slope, 1x2 grated tile in normal blue. I only had one in normal blue, which is on the other side, and another cheese slope. And then you need to duplicate that so you have it on the other side as well. And then you can attach the chip from earlier. Pop that so it's facing this way, like that. And now we can get started on the ring. For this, you're going to need to connect 6 snap brackets, hinges in fact, like this. So they all connect, so so it's slightly shifted, as you can see, that's slightly further than this one. Then you're going to want to attach 2 1x1 square tiles in see-through red there. If you can get all of these snap hinges in red and yellow, that would make it look a lot better, but I only had a few of those, so I had to make do with what I could. Next, I'm going to want to make this, which is a 1x2 tile in red, a cheese slope in red, and a 1x2 curved tile in red. Then you're going to want to make sure you have 4 of them. So that means you've got to make 3 extra. Then those attach to these upper parts there. and here as well. Then you're going to want to make these two pieces, which is just a 1x1 brick in red and a 1x2 curved tile. Make sure you have two. Attach that to this little spot that's slightly shifted downwards. Same on the other side. Then you're going to want to make this, which is a 1x2 tile, a stud in see-through red, and a 1x1 tile in see-through red, and this little pyramid piece. You're going to want to attach that this way so that it's in the middle. Do the same on the other side. Then when you grab this, so when you push this on, one of the pieces should slightly dislodge. I realized that's why it was a bit difficult. So when doing it, when that part dislodges, make sure you press down, just to make sure it's as tight as possible. And that will probably click and dislodge another part, but you want that to happen because then it will be tighter so it doesn't come off when you launch. Now you're going to need any Beyblade Verse disc. I just chose this one because it just sort of worked, and attach that in here. Then I just realized I forgot one of the circular tiles, so attach that to the little connection there. Then we're going to need to make the driver universe, which is this. I've actually decided to take this part from my Vanish Fafnir because it suited this a bit better. So first you're going to need a 1x3 Technic peg. Attach that to one of these, in fact a Technic axle. Attach it to one of these circular Technic wheel things. Then you're going to need to grab two of these 2x2 circular tiles and stack them like that. You actually want to push that all the way up there. Then grab one of these 2x2 spinning tiles and attach a 1x1 as just a stud in the middle, like so. Press that down. Then you're going to want to grab one of these sort of safari looking hats. Now if you want to make it a bit easier on yourself, you can shove it in the middle of the hat before putting it there, and that will just make it a little bit easier to connect it like that. Then you grab the rest of your Beyblade, align the Technic axle with that hole there, put it through. There you have it, my LegoProminancePhoenix, and I'm going to give it a hand spin first, and then we'll do a proper test spin. And that is why I say to glue them. I didn't expect it to explode like that, but the ring is obviously quite fragile, so definitely glue them if you can.